Hello students, we are doing lesson number 7, Julia's Wonderful Find. In this video, we will do sound sense book exercise on page number 70. Question is, listen and underline the silent letters in the words given below. One has been done for you. So, we have to underline the silent letters in the words. Let's start. A part, catch. C-A-T-C-H, catch. Letter T is silent in the word catch. B part, K-N-E-E, knee. We do not pronounce it as knee. It's knee. So, letter K is silent in the word knee. Likewise, in C part, the word is knife and it's not knife. So, letter K is silent in the word knife. K-N-I-F-E is pronounced as knife. D part, R-H-Y-M-E, rhyme. Rhyme. Students, letter H is silent in the word rhyme. We do not pronounce it as rahyme. We pronounce it as rhyme. Next word we have is E part, listen. It is not listen, it's listen. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. T is silent in listen. F part, H-O-U-R, hour. It's not hour, it's hour. H is silent in hour. G part, T-W-O, two. W is silent in two. H part, W-H-O-L-E, whole. Whole. It starts with the h sound. Whole. W is silent in whole.